Dubai. It's a city of sun. It's a city of sand. But did you know it's also a city of winter cheer? Yes, even in this desert metropolis, winter brings a special kind of magic. And where better to experience it than at the Dubai Al Nada Winter Market? This year the market was back and better than ever. Let me take you on a little journey through this festive wonderland. Stepping into the Al Nada Winter Market is like stepping into a Christmas card. Lights twinkle, carols play, and the air is thick with the scent of roasted chestnuts and cinnamon. The market sprawls out before you, a labyrinth of stalls and kiosks. Each corner promises something new and exciting. The market is cleverly organized into different sections. You have your food stalls clustered together, filling the air with tantalizing aromas. Then there's the handicraft section, a treasure trove of unique gifts and souvenirs. And of course, no winter market is complete without a designated area for entertainment. More on that later. As you navigate this festive maze, you'll encounter friendly vendors eager to share their wares and stories. The atmosphere is electric, a blend of local chatter and excited gasps from tourists discovering the magic for the first time. It's an experience that truly captures the spirit of the season. Now let's talk about the food, shall we? Because no trip to a market, especially a winter market, is complete without indulging in some culinary delights. And trust me, the Al Nada Winter Market does not disappoint. From traditional Emirati dishes to international favorites, there's something to tantalize every palate. Craving some hearty fare? Grab a plate of piping hot kunafa, a sweet cheese pastry soaked in syrup, or perhaps you'd prefer a steaming bowl of lentil soup, perfect for warming you up from the inside out. For those with a sweet tooth, the choices are endless. There are towers of colorful macarons, delicate French crepes, and of course no winter market is complete without gingerbread cookies. And let's not forget the hot chocolate. Rich, decadent, and topped with marshmallows, it's the perfect way to end a stroll through the market. Treasures of the bazaar, handicrafts and souvenirs. After you've had your fill of delicious treats, it's time to dive into the world of handicrafts and souvenirs. This section of the market is a treasure trove of unique and handcrafted items, perfect for finding that special something for yourself or your loved ones back home. From intricately woven carpets and rugs to delicate blown glass ornaments, the craftsmanship on display is truly impressive. You'll find stalls selling traditional Arabic perfumes, spices, and incense, filling the air with exotic scents. Keep an eye out for handmade jewelry, leather goods, and pottery, each piece a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Don't be afraid to haggle a bit with the vendors, it's all part of the fun. And remember, each purchase you make not only gives you a unique souvenir but also supports local artisans and their craft. Festive cheer and entertainment, the heart of the market. But the Al Nada Winter Market is more than just shopping and eating. It's about soaking up the festive atmosphere and enjoying the numerous entertainment options on offer. As you wander through the market, you'll be serenaded by live music, from traditional Arabic music to festive Christmas carols. There are often street performers showcasing their talents, from fire dancers to magicians, adding to the lively ambiance. For the little ones, there are usually carnival games, a dedicated play area, and even a chance to meet Santa Claus himself. The Al Nada Winter Market truly comes alive at night, when the lights twinkle even brighter, and the atmosphere is electric with festive cheer. The Dubai Al Nada Winter Market is more than just a market, it's an experience. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the festive spirit, indulge in some delicious food, discover unique handicrafts, and create lasting memories. So, the next time you find yourself in Dubai during the winter months, make sure to add this magical market to your itinerary. Trust me, you won't regret it.